In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit note to a bill in Xero. A credit note from a supplier is basically their way of saying, we owe you, often because of a return, an overcharge, or a pricing correction. Applying that credit directly to the related bill in Xero ensures your accounts payable and your reporting stay accurate, and it reduces the amount you need to pay. Start by opening Xero and heading to your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct organization and that you have access to purchases. From the main navigation, go to Purchases. This is the hub for everything you owe suppliers, including bills, purchase orders, and credit notes. Next, select Bills. Here, you'll see lists like awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid. You'll want the bill that the supplier credit relates to. Usually it's in awaiting payment or approved. If you have lots of bills, use the search or filters to quickly narrow things down by supplier or reference. Open the bill you want to adjust. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking the supplier name, the bill date, the currency, and the line items. It's a good habit to compare the supplier's credit note document with this bill so you know exactly what's being credited, whether it's the whole bill or specific items, and whether tax is included. With the bill open, look for Bill Options. You'll typically find this near the top of the bill screen. Click it to reveal actions specific to this bill. Choose Add Credit Note. Xero will create a credit note pre-linked to this bill. Fill in the details from the supplier's document. The credit note date, the reference number, a short description of why the credit was issued, and the amounts. If it's a partial credit, adjust only the relevant lines or amounts so the credit matches the supplier's documentation. Check tax rates carefully so they mirror the original bill. This helps keep your GST, VAT reporting clean. If you have the PDF from the supplier, attach it here for your records. When you're happy with the details, either approve the credit note or save it if you need to come back later for review. Approving applies the credit to the bill and immediately reduces the amount due. If the credit fully covers the bill, the balance will drop to zero. If it's partial, Xero will show the reduced outstanding amount and you'll only pay the difference. That's it! You've applied a credit note to a bill in Xero, keeping your supplier balances tidy and your payables accurate.